morning, students. Today's topic is financial management. First of all, we should know what is financial management. Financial management is broadly concerned with the acquisition and use of funds by a business firm. Its scope may be defined in terms of the following questions. The first one is how large should the firm be and how fast should it grow? Composition of firm's asset, mix of the firms and financing, analyzing and planning and controlling its financial affairs. Students, we should know what are the goals of financial management. The first one is profit maximization, and the profit should be profit after tax, maximizing earning per share, that is called EPS, and shareholders wealth maximization. The fundamental of principles of finance. A business proposal, regardless of whether it is a new investment or acquisition of another company or a restructuring initiative, raises the value of the firm only if the present value of the future stream of net cash benefit expected from the proposal is greater than the initial cash outlay required to implement the proposal. Now we will understand the cash alone matters. In any business, the cash is the most important thing, and the investors, there are two type of investors, shareholders and lenders. Investors provide the initial cash required to finance the business proposal. So shareholders and lenders both are very important for the business proposal. Now we will understand the proposal generates cash return to investors. It is also very important. Whoever give the money to the firm or invest the money into the firm, we will have to give the interest or dividend. The main function of financial management is decisions, return risk, and market value. In this regard, capital budgeting decision, capital structure decisions, dividend decisions, working capital decisions, and we should also see how much we can return and which type of risk and which limit of the risk should be there. Market value of the firm should be increased. These are the main points of financial management. Forms of the organization: public limited company, and public limited companies attraction we will understand. First of all, in public limited company there are many owners, somewhat complex, limited liabilities, distinct legal person, free transferability of shares. These are the main features of public limited company. Public limited companies attraction. The potential of growth is immense because of access of substantial funds. Investor enjoy liquidity because of free transferability of securities. The scope of employing talented managers is greater. These are the attractions of a public limited company. In UK, private limited company is called limited company, and public limited company we can denote PLC, and in Germany GmbH, and public company is called AG. In Japan, YK private company, and KK is public company. In Netherlands, BV, and in public limited companies are called NV. France SARL, and in public companies are called SA. In Italy SRL and SPA in for the public in Italy. Now we will understand the decisions under financial management. The most important thing is the first is investing decision, the next is financing decision, and third is dividend decision. Now we will understand investing decision. Investment in short term and long term projects. Short term projects. Decision relating to working capital management and inventory management, receivable management, etc. And long term decisions are related to capital budgeting decisions, techniques. There are two types of techniques, traditional and modern. Traditional techniques are payback period, we calculate, and accounting rate of return. In modern techniques, we can understand we should calculate the net present value method, internal rate of return, profitability index, etc. Now we will understand in the financial management, we will take the decision related to finance. So we can say it is financing decision. Relation to funding of the projects and sources. There are two type of sources, short term and long term. Short term sources are trade creditors, trade credit, bank, overdraft, etc. And in long term, owners fund and external funds. What are owners fund? To understand owners fund, we can say there is equity or preference shares capital or retained earnings, and in external funds are debentures, long term loans, etc. Dividend decision, the decisions related to how much of the earning to be distributed as dividends and how much to be kept as retained earnings. Business ethics and social responsibility, corporate social responsibility, that is called CSR. The World Business Council corporate social responsibility is the continuing commitment by business to behave ethically and contributed to economic development while improving the equality of life of the workforce and their families, as well as the local community and society at large. While Hayek and Freddieman argued that a business firm should not swerve from its economic goal, because economic goal of a business or company is the main aim. Many business firms in practice do contribute to various social causes. All managers are financial managers. The engineers who proposes a new plant shapes and the investment policy of the firm. The marketing analyst provides inputs in the process of forecasting and planning. The purpose manager influences the level of investment in inventories. The sales manager has a say in determination of the receivable policy. Departmental managers in general are important links in the finance control system of the firm. Relation of finance to accounting. Accounting is concerned with scorekeeping, whereas finance is aimed at value maximizing. The accountant prepares the accounting reports based on the accrual method. The focus of the financial managers is on cash flow. Accounting deals primarily with the past, finance is concerned mainly with the future. Emerging role of the finance manager in India. The job of financial manager in India has become more important, complex, and demanding due to following factors. The first one is liberalization, globalization, technological developments, violate financial crisis, economic uncertainty, tax law changes, ethical concerns over financial dealings, shareholder activism. Now we will understand emerging role of the financial managers in India. The key challenges for the financial managers appear to be in following areas: the investment planning and resources allocation, financial structure, merger acquisition and reconstructing, working capital management, performance management, risk management, corporate governance, and investor relations. Thank you for today.